When the guys came up with this idea of having a guide rail to turn the car, we thought that was pretty clever. We knew that the crash system wasn't designed to do this kind of thing, but in the end, it was a very clever way to accomplish a crash that couldn't otherwise have been done in the laboratory that we have. My name is David Zuby. I am the Executive Vice President and Chief Research Officer for Insurance Institute for Highway Safety and Highway Loss Data Institute. I've worked for the institutes for 30 years.
Safety belts and airbags are saving lives and preventing serious injuries.
I started out as a research engineer, helping develop the crash tests that ultimately support our research. This test was kind of exciting for a lot of us because we didn't know if the curved rails were going to accomplish what we wanted them to. We had to figure out a way to move the two vehicles in opposite directions to create the angled offset configuration. And our engineers and technicians came up with the guide rail idea. The system basically worked by having a guide system on the front of the car that engaged the rail, and then as it engages the rail and before it starts curving, we stop pulling the vehicle, and so it's coasting along under its own inertia, following the path because the mechanism at the front of the car was following the curved rail. We wouldn't need to use that forever, but we wanted to know if we didn't do that, were we missing some important aspects of a small overlap test that should be included. In the end, we decided that we could judge all of the important characteristics of a small overlap in a more simple test against a barrier.